Culinary history is a captivating field of study that explores the development, evolution, and cultural significance of food and cooking practices throughout human history. From the ancient civilizations of Mesopotamia, Egypt, Greece, and Rome, to the modern age of globalization, culinary history offers valuable insights into our relationship with food. Ancient civilizations laid the foundation for culinary traditions. Mesopotamians cultivated crops and domesticated animals, employing baking, brewing, and fermentation techniques. Egyptians centered their cuisine around the Nile River, while Greeks and Romans emphasized balance and harmony in their food, introducing concepts like the symposium. The Middle Ages witnessed distinct culinary practices among social classes, with spices from the East revolutionizing European flavors.
The Age of Exploration brought new ingredients and flavors from around the world, leading to the fusion of culinary traditions. The Columbian Exchange facilitated the global transfer of foodstuffs, shaping regional cuisines. Industrialization and technological advancements transformed food production, resulting in the mass production of processed foods and the rise of fast food culture. Today, a resurgence of traditional and regional cuisines reflects a renewed appreciation for local ingredients and sustainability.
Culinary history provides a deeper understanding of the cultural, social, and economic factors that shape our food choices. It allows us to appreciate the diversity of flavors, techniques, and traditions that have evolved over time. Exploring culinary history also highlights the interconnectedness of cultures through food, as ingredients and culinary practices have traveled and merged across continents. By studying culinary history, we gain insight into the cultural significance of food, how it has shaped identities and social structures, and how it continues to evolve in response to changing circumstances. Whether it's ancient recipes preserved on clay tablets or the fusion of flavors in modern fusion cuisine, culinary history offers a fascinating glimpse into the human experience and our enduring fascination with food.